Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best clothesline poles is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for anyone looking to dry their laundry efficiently and effectively, especially when outdoor space is limited or when you need a sturdy and reliable solution that can withstand various weather conditions. These poles offer a simple yet ingenious way to hang your clothes, ensuring they get ample airflow and sunlight, which not only speeds up the drying process but also helps in sanitizing them naturally, making them a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to electric dryers. Choosing the right clothesline pole can significantly impact your laundry routine, making it more convenient and less of a chore. So let's dive into what makes a clothesline pole truly great. Number 5. JAUREE 95 inches stainless steel clothes drying rack. Tired of wrinkles and high electricity bills? This drying rack offers a smart solution for perfectly neat clothes, saving you energy and keeping your home cool. Need flexibility? It expands for large loads and retracts for small spaces, fitting anywhere. Set up or folded in just 1 minute, no assembly required. This rack is built strong, supporting up to 130 pounds. With ample drying space, it's perfect for everything from shirts to blankets, indoors or out. Crafted with thickened stainless steel since 2022, it's strong, smooth, and designed for reliability. Non-slip feet protect your floors and ensure quiet use. Worried about wind? Balance the load for stability and use the included 20 windproof hooks to keep your clothes securely in place. It's also great for drying larger items like carpets. What we like? If you need a versatile drying solution that can handle both indoor and outdoor use, this is a great choice. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the included windproof hooks are perfect for breezy days. If you're looking for a rack that offers ample space and stability, consider this one. What people say. The clothesline poles are sturdy and hold up well even with a lot of laundry. The adjustable height feature is very convenient, allowing me to customize it to my needs. Easy to assemble and set up, I had them ready to use in minutes. Number 4. Retractable clothesline heavy-duty laundry line. Setting up your new clothesline is a breeze. It installs in just minutes with all the necessary hardware included, perfect for any room. This retractable line is designed to save space and keep your home neat. It's an ideal solution for apartments, bathrooms, or even RVs. Need more drying space? It easily extends up to 14.1 feet, accommodating everything from towels and linens to delicates and baby clothes. Cut down on energy bills by air drying your laundry. This method is also gentler on your fabrics, helping them last longer. Whether it's for wet towels, bed sheets, or gym clothes, this wall-mounted line is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With its stainless steel housing, it complements any decor. It looks great in laundry rooms, bathrooms, or on balconies. When not in use, it retracts instantly, disappearing for a clean and minimalist aesthetic. What we like? For those with limited space, like in apartments or RVs, this retractable clothesline is ideal. It offers a generous 14.1 feet of drying space when extended but disappears neatly when not in use. If you appreciate a clean, minimalist look and want to save on energy bills, this wall-mounted option is perfect for you. What people say. The clothesline poles are made of sturdy galvanized steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Each pole features multiple hooks at different heights, allowing for adjustable clothesline tension and versatile drying options. The wide base provides excellent stability, preventing the poles from tipping over even with a full load of wet laundry. Number 3. SONGMICS BUNJI Collection ULLR 510W01 Clothes Drying Rack. This drying rack is designed to be compact and easy to store. When not in use, it folds down to a small size, making it perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms. The 3 arms on this rack can rotate a full 360 degrees. This feature allows you to easily hang or remove clothes from any side, making laundry day more convenient. With designated spots for hangers, this rack can hold up to 27 pieces of clothing. It's built to handle a substantial amount of laundry, with a total static load capacity of 33 pounds. Setting up this rack is a breeze, taking just a minute thanks to its simple, 7-part design. You can easily take it with you for drying clothes, even when you're camping. Constructed with a stainless steel main pole and legs, this drying rack is both rust-resistant and incredibly sturdy. The 4-leg base provides superior stability compared to other designs. What we like. If you need a drying rack that is easy to maneuver and set up, especially in smaller living areas, this model is a strong contender. The 360 degrees rotatable arms allow for easy access to all your clothes. If you value convenience and a compact design that can be easily stored, this is a great option. What people say. The clothesline poles are made of sturdy metal and have held up well in windy conditions. The adjustable height feature is very convenient, allowing me to customize the line height for different laundry loads. Assembly was straightforward, and the poles feel very stable once installed. Number 2. Storage Maniac Umbrella Drying Rack. Introducing the Storage Maniac Umbrella Drying Rack, designed to make your laundry routine easier. Enjoy ample drying space with its innovative design. With 12 lines and 164 feet of drying space, this rack can handle all your laundry needs. It even includes hooks for delicates on each arm. Customize your drying experience with its adjustable height feature. Simply slide the central pole to set it at your perfect working height. The 360-degree rotary top allows for effortless movement, even when fully loaded. This makes hanging and retrieving your clothes a breeze. This rack comes pre-assembled for quick installation and folds down compactly for easy storage. No tools are required. Each package includes a ground spike, protective cover, peg bag, and 36 clothes pegs for immediate use. Everything you need is right here. What we like. If you have a backyard and need a large capacity drying solution, this umbrella-style rack is fantastic. It offers an impressive 164 feet of drying space across 12 lines and features adjustable height for comfortable use. If you're looking for an outdoor solution that can handle a lot of laundry and is easy to operate, this is the one. What people say. The clothesline poles are very sturdy and hold up well even with a lot of laundry. The adjustable height feature is incredibly convenient, allowing me to customize the drying space. The poles are made of durable material that has resisted rust and weathering. Number 1. Minky Homecare Outdoor Retractable Dual Clothesline. Save energy, money, and time with the unmatched drying capacity of this retractable clothesline. It's an eco-friendly way to dry your laundry. This easy-to-use outdoor drying line stows neatly away when not in use. Enjoy a clutter-free backyard with its smart, retractable design. The strong, PVC-coated line is built to last, resisting sunlight and being simple to wipe clean. It's designed for durability and convenience. Fully retractable and protected by a UV-stable casing, it's perfect for year-round use. Easily detach it for winter storage in your backyard, patio, or balcony. Setting up your new drying line is a breeze. All necessary wall attachment components are included for a stress-free installation. What we like. If you're seeking an energy-efficient and space-saving drying method for your backyard, patio, or balcony, this dual retractable line is a smart choice. The heavy-duty, PVC-coated lines are built to last and easy to clean. If you want a robust yet retractable solution that stows away neatly, this is an excellent option. What people say. The clothesline poles are sturdy and hold up well even with a lot of laundry. The adjustable height feature is very convenient, allowing me to customize the line height for different types of clothing. The poles are made of durable material that resists rust and corrosion, ensuring they last for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.